Actually not last, second last in this theme is Kwang Shao from the Accademia Scenica in Taiwan.
Thank you, Barbara. Let me give you the overview of the marine protected area in Taiwan, the current status and the challenges in the future. My name is Kwang Shao I'm a scientist from Accademia Scenica. Before I go to the marine protected area in Taiwan, I'd like to tell you first how rich the marine biodiversity we have in Taiwan. The species number, the marine species number in Taiwan totally is about 1/10 of the world total species number. But you know, the land area of Taiwan is only 36,000 kilometers squares, so that's about 2.5 per 10,000 in the world total land area. So in average, our marine species number may be 400 times higher than average in other countries. The main reason is because Taiwan is located near the northern tip of the Coral Triangle, and also we are located on the intersection of three large marine ecosystems, or the ecoregions in Taiwan. As you can see from this map, the East China Sea, Philippine Sea, and the South China Sea. And also the topography of Taiwan is complicated. We have deep sea and open ocean, almost 2/3 of the ocean area, and here is the shallow waters. We are located on the world's largest Eurasian plate. Another two reasons is because Taiwan, although the shoreline of the total length of the shoreline in Taiwan is about 1,600 kilometers long, including several islets. But we do have all different kinds of marine habitats, what we call the marine ecosystem. Sandy muddy bottom, estuary, rocky shore, coral reefs, mangrove, the seagrasses, or even the agar reef, and the sandy barrier, lagoon, open ocean, the deep sea, including the thermal vents and the colder ships. So we have three currents surrounding Taiwan. Crucial always come down all year round, and come up. From the south to the north. And in the winter season, the cold China coastal water will come down. In the summer season, the warm South China Sea waters will come up. So this is important because they let all the marine fauna and the flora in Taiwan bisected as by this line. So here is one system, and this is another different kind of marine fauna and flora. That is important for our network design. So the current status of the marine protected area in Taiwan, I will especially talking about national park, because the area is larger, much larger than the other MPAs established by the other law or acts. We totally have 9 national parks in Taiwan now, but on 4 of them are including the coastal waters. The earliest one is the Kenting National Park, and then the Nongsa Atoll, and then the Taijiang, which is Sandy Barrier Lagoon, and the recent one that just established this year, a couple of months ago, is Penghu, the southern 4 islets over here. So we have now 4 national parks. And does Taiwan reach the goal, the 10% by the 2020 of the Aichi goal? And totally the number of MPA we have about 70 to 80 sites. Total area is about 30,000 kilometers in total. But we face the problem how to calculate the MPA area ratio, which need to be solved first. According to the IUCN, the definition is also adopted by Taiwan government. The most important is that those areas must have need to be protected by the law or managed by effective ways. So we have 2 different kinds of calculation. The blue one, which means the sum of the MPA, which was banned fishing for only 1 species, 1 fishing gear, or 1 season. If they were also counted in as the MPA, then the total marine MPA ratio will be up to the 46%, which will reach the goal, right? But anyway, if we those only area enclosure what I included in the pink region, so the MPA ratio only have about 6%. So we still need to to do more for that. So the future challenges of MPA in Taiwan, we need more MPAs. So we have no network now so far. So we hope, that's my own viewpoints, that the red one, which was existing MPA, even in the South China Sea, you see the Pratas Island, the Spratly, which was governed by Taiwan. So we also, this already existed. We are now, evaluate how to maybe propose it to be the MPP, Marine Peace Park, because these are disputed areas. And those blue one, which I proposed, if we want to make it a networking, because corrosion come up this way, so maybe OK Island, Green Island, Sunshine Tai, and the Shudi, Guishan Island, etc. This is the one system. But for here, we don't have any one of them. I'm only talking about coral reef habitats. We hope this one is under planning stage, so it is good. So besides coral reef, we also need other habitat representatives like seamounts, when safe open ocean and cetacean. We will have one soon along here for the Chinese white dolphin. And we certainly, like other countries, we need more funding, enforcement, and education. I think that's all. Thank you very much.